Okay, first thing you want to do is a new thing you never learned before is called do procedure. Do what is do? It called declarations. So because sometimes you have so many repeat block, we can use it to simplify our block. I can be used many times. So we call it a move random. Okay, you can think it's just a functions that can make you to duplicable in many way and many ways. Okay, so you go to thief sprite and then find call thief sprite move to S and Y. So we want to let the thief sprite to move across the canvas. So what should we do? But we don't want it to be fixed into a location. We want it to be random integer. Okay, first thing from 1 to, okay, we don't want to be a fixed random. We want to from 1 to the canvas with S is the width, Y is the height. Okay, so you go to canvas and go find the canvas with here. So okay, the second one we duplicate and change it to height. Okay, you want it to be random at the first place. That means when screen 1 been initialized. Okay, you can see, go to procedure, you can see here got a new function. So that means when you use this one, this whole function will be inside. Okay, so why we use this? Because we have a duplicable. So we want to use when the clock start running, and then the sprite will move random as well. Okay, you want the when we want to touch the thief sprite when we found out it in the canvas. So when thief sprite touch, what should we do? Thief sprite touch, we should call our sound. Okay, vibrate. So when we touch it, oh, it will vibrate. Okay, vibrate how much? Okay, you put a 50. Okay, 1000 millisecond is 1 second, and so here we want to vibrate a half second, so we put 500. And then you want to set the score label test. You touch it, oh, the test will be go from 0 to others number. So score label test 2. So we go to mathematics first, and then here, and then put the score label test, and then put the +1 inside. Okay, but now how we know we win? So we need to set a parameter so that when we reach the score, we know that we are win. Okay, so we go to if statement. So here, if the score label test, that means the score reach a specific, we're here first, and then we go to the logic, and then this one, the score label test equal to, put a number, can put 5 or 6 up to you, or 10. That's mean the time you touch it, you get it. Okay, so you want to make it the text to speech. You want to call it to speak a message. So put here, and then write a message here. No, this one. Okay, can write congratulations, you win. And you can put a notifier as well. Okay, so a notifier to show alert notice, and then copy this one. You can use Ctrl C and then Ctrl V, or you can use duplicate. Okay, up to you. Okay, another thing you will find out when you, but since you win, so what, all the things should be stopped, right? The sprite shouldn't be moved randomly anymore. So you need to call this one, go to time enable, go to bottom, and then put a logic here, false. Okay, that's mean the time enable will not be enabled. Okay, but so when you want to start a new game, what should you do? So when you skip the reset button. Okay, this one copy, duplicate. So you will be run, and then you put a true, and then you set the score label test. Okay, can duplicate this one, and then you don't want this one, you want to set it to become 0, so you will start over again. So this is our apps programming.